karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my this Anker Soundcore Life A1 wireless earbuds. So guys, while I'm opening the box, I would like to tell you I paid about 24 Omani Rials for it, which is equivalent to about 62 American dollars. So let us open it and we will see what comes in the box and we will do a brief overview of it. Okay, so here are the earbuds. So they are packed in this protective plastic cover. So let us take them out. Okay, so guys, they are very handy. So you can see I can fit it in my palm very easily. So very convenient to hold, and it comes with the, I think it is a instruction manual. Yes, and a USB-C type charging cable and different options for the different sizes of the ear. So we have, I think, small size, medium size, large size, and different hinges, silicone hinges, so that they can fit perfectly in your ear. Okay, so guys, now let us open it. So guys, while I'm opening this, so I would like to tell you they support the wireless charging. Okay, so this is how they come. So here already these covers, silicone covers are there. Okay, plus you have a lot of options depending upon the type of your ear. So guys, the company claims like once fully charged, okay, you can use it up to 9 hours of for the 9 hours of music, and with carry case when they are in the case, so you can use that for about 35 hours. Okay, and guys, like they also support the wireless charging, and they are IP7 waterproof, so they are very good for sports activity. So in case you are sweating a lot, so this is the ideal thing. And when we see the price of this, so I think they are a pretty decent deal. Okay, so guys, soon I'll be taking out, okay, and we'll be doing a detailed review of these. Okay, so guys, that's all for today, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.